Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cherish Learning. So today we will study about verbs, which means kriya, काम वाले शब्द. It shows action and state. Now what does action means? For example, in your daily life you do so many activities, पढ़ना, खाना, लिखना, आना, जाना, बैठना. All these are actions. And have you noticed one thing? इन सारे शब्दों के पीछे ना लगा है. So ये हिंदी में क्रिया की पहचान होती है, ना. Okay, now example, play, खेलना, again action. Walk, चलना, action. Stand and sit, खड़े होना, बैठना, again it is action. Work, काम करना. Write, लिखना. So all these are actions. Now state. State refers to particular situation or condition that exists at a particular time. For example, I am a teacher. In this sentence, can you find out verb? Yes, it is am, and this am is showing state that I am a teacher. Now we will do two types of verb, and two types of verb are main verb and helping verb. Main verb is also called principal verb and helping verb is also called auxiliary verb. Now main verb. Main verb means main काम, main action. Now let's have some examples. Mother cooks food. माँ खाना पकाती है. So इस सेंटेंस में काम क्या हो रहा है? Action is of cooking. That's why cooks is main verb. Next, चिल्ड्रन आर प्लेइंग इन द गार्डन. बच्चे गार्डन में खेल रहे हैं. यहाँ पर एक्शन क्या हो रहा है? खेलने का. Therefore, playing is main verb. Next, the girl is writing a letter. यहाँ पर एक्शन हो रहा है लिखने का. Therefore, writing is main verb. Now, helping verbs. Helping verb help the main verb to describe action, and that action happened in the past or is happening in the present or will happen in the future. Now what does it mean? It means helping verb से ही हमें पता लगता है कि action present में हुआ है या past में हुआ था या future में होगा. For example, I am going to market. मैं बाजार जा रही हूँ. तो इस sentence में am is present. Now I was going to market. मैं बाजार जा रही थी. तो this is showing past कि मैं जा रही थी, was. Next, I will go to market. मैं बाजार जाऊंगी. Will is showing future. So am, was, will. All these are helping verbs. Now let's take two pictures. And the pictures are house, some pencils. This is a house. In this sentence, can you find out verb? Yes, it is, which is helping verb. Now, next, these are pencils. In this sentence, helping verb is are, helping verb. So, now we will study about list of helping verbs. It is very easy to learn helping verbs. Some of helping verbs are is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did, and will, shall. There are other helping verbs also which we call model auxiliary verbs, but I have not written here. Now exercise time. Find out main verb and helping verb. And the question number 1 is, Children have completed their homework. बच्चों ने अपना गृह कार्य कर लिया है. इस सेंटेंस में काम करना is action, completed is main verb, and have is helping verb. It's very easy. Next, she loves her mother. वह अपनी माँ से प्यार करती है. यहाँ पर action हो रहा है प्यार करने का. Loves, it is a main verb. And if you remember, love is also abstract noun. In my earlier videos, if you have watched them, you can understand that love is abstract noun because it is a feeling. You cannot touch it or see it. But here it is working as a verb. Now, चिल्ड्रन आर शाउटिंग इन द क्लास. बच्चे कक्षा में शोर कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पर शोर करना इज मेन वर्ब and again helping verb is very easy, are. Next sentence, I will meet you soon. मैं तुमसे जल्दी ही मिलूंगी. यहाँ पर मिलना मेन वर्ब होगी. मेन वर्ब is meet and helping verb is will. So today we have studied about verb and its types, that is main verb and helping verb. I hope you understood it. Thank you so much for watching.